Hello and welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm gonna go over paragraph tags in HTML. But before we get started, only a small number of my viewers are subscribed, and if you like this video, please subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. And let's try to get to 100 subscribers by October 7th because that will be the 1 year anniversary of this channel. But without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so what is a p tag? Well, a p tag or a paragraph tag is an HTML tag that is used for text. So let's say a book. So if you have a book, the chapter title or whatever, that's gonna be a H tag, which is a header tag. So that's gonna be bolded and all that. But all the text, all of that is gonna be a p tag. So it's just all the main text and all that. So let's make a p tag. To make a p tag, just press the less than sign, p, and press the greater than sign. And VS Code will automatically make the closing tag for you. So that's nice. So inside this, you just put in a bunch of text. So let's say, hello, I run the FH Coding YouTube channel. So, that's just text, and that and the main function of a p tag is just to have the text. And this text, it's common text, so like, information or whatever. And in comparison to my last video, the header tags, those tags are used for titles. So let's say I'm making an about page. So I'll do less than sign, h1 greater than sign, and over here I'll do inside the signs right over here in the middle, I'll just do about. Okay, so this is the about section of our so-called website, and over here is just the main text. And if I want to have it on a new line, I'll just press enter, and I'll do p, I'll make another p tag, and I'll say um, I make coding videos that you hopefully enjoy. So just like that. And now let's try running this. But running HTML is different than running, let's say, Python or other languages. So you first have to save it. And to know if you've saved it, just look over here. If it is a circle, that means that you have not saved it. So go to File and press Save. And then you want it to turn into an X mark. So now we know we have it saved. Now let's go on to the next part of this, which is to navigate to our File Explorer. So over here, just scroll down and find the location of your file. So my file shows up in recents, but you can also go to wherever you stored your file, and what you now want to do is double click this. So double click your file name over here, and now it's going to open up a new Google tab. So you see over here, here is the header of our page, so it stands out, and here is all of our text, which is in the p tags. So p tags are mainly just used for paragraphs and, just to put in all of your text. It's a nice way to group it in case you want to make any changes to it or edit it with CSS, which is going to come on later. And like I showed you, every new HTML tag opens up a new line. So we have this. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned about p tags. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.